These people over here are asking if you want a taxi. Don't see our name anywhere. These three guys. We just walked out and they went and said that they'd take us to our hotel. So we're hoping they don't do anything dodgy with our bags. It's meant to be a 25-minute drive to Manrasani Hotel, which is in Penang, in Seminyak. Dream catcher. Oh, look at that. Look at all that artwork. The first thing I'm going to do when we get to the hotel is eat the packet of chips that we brought over.
You check already?
Yeah, good. Yeah.
Alright, thank you so much.
Thanks, Joe.
Bye.
See you.
Thank you. Bye.
Miss Pineta,
Yeah.
so may I borrow your passport?
Passport.
Yeah.
Fully needed that water, eh?
Yeah. What time do you close? 24 hours. Yes.
Oh,
Thank
sweet.
you. Did you see her, like, just, you know, fully Skyping her boyfriend?
Oh, yeah. Was that what you're laughing at?
Yeah.
So I will repeat order. You have one Japanese calamari, one risotto chicken balls, one double happiness,
Yeah.
one burger, and two bintangs, brother. Yeah?
Yeah.
That's the one.
Yeah,
That's the one then.
Yeah. I'm just like, bring me food. Are you drinking right now?
Bintang. We're at the Butcher's Club Steakhouse and we've ordered a couple of burgers. So we're in Seminyak at the moment and we're staying at the Taman Rosani Hotel.
Oh, wait, tell us the best bit about the burger. How much is the burger that we just bought?
Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
So my burger's like a double patty, double cheese, whatever, everything. It's only $1.90 NZ. Just across the road too. We're just gonna have this for dinner, for breakfast, for brunch, for lunch, for brunch.
Okay, thank you.
Excited?
Yes, do we eat now?
Yeah, let's eat.
So we're up there.
Oh, me. Selamat pagi.
Good morning
Good
from
morning.
Bali. Been up since like 5 o'clock. But just because when we got home yesterday, we were all wasted. That travel was really long. Nobody ever tells you about the travel over here.
Nah, we brought some snacks from back home. So we had like lollies and chips, just
And
stuff.
we had dinner because we had the burger and
Yeah.
fries and stuff at that place.
Man, the burger that we
Which
had
was
last
amazing.
night was amazing.
So today, I'm excited because we're energized and we're going to do stuff now. And so we're going to the 3D art exhibition.
Yeah, it's gonna take a whole lot of cheesy photos.
And it's like 120,000 rupee, which is not even that much,
No,
like about
yeah.
$12-ish. And then after that, we're going to go to the water bomb park.
Yeah.
It's actually called water bomb,
Water
eh?
bomb.
So we're going to do the 3D art tour first because obviously we'll get hot doing that and then we can go and jump in the water.
In the water. And then after that, the most important
Oh
thing,
yes, massage.
we're gonna get massages. Yeah, they're supposed to be cheap here. I was texting one of the guys and he
Oh
was
my
just telling
gosh, what's his name?
Scott.
Oh, I only know him
So-
as Scottish Snake Eyes.
shout out to Scott, $12.
Thank you so much. Your
He-
tips this morning have been
he's
amazing.
$12 for massages here, and they're supposed to be like just literally everywhere.
We got scammed by like those freaking porters anyway. They came in like, thought they were being nice, helping out bags. Next minute
Yeah.
we had to give them a tip and I had like nothing small. So I had to give them, well it was only $5 anyway, but still, it's like classic amateurs in Bali. We're gonna do just vlogs. I've got the GoPro, so you'll get some perspective from a short level.
Actually,
Honestly, vlogging, so much stuff to carry around, freaking
Actually.
hell. I'll probably do it when I have the GoPro. I can show you what we have to carry around already. So if we're taking the drone and that big freaking humongous backpack, we would be arguing all day.
oh yeah, what are we doing right now?
Breakfast.
We got breakfast.
So watch us.
Yes, please.
Bye. You can like sit there and have drinks. There's like little books here in the fountain.
Let's get our drink on over here.
I feel like I want to branch out and do like Indonesian. Will I survive?
Thanks, bro.
Thank you.
Are we going to risk it with the juice?
Should we? It's probably diluted.
Or This would be a good one to document them.
Yeah, I'll have some.
R.I.P. Mean. Thank you. Oh, that's cool. It tastes like Singapore noodles from Noodle Canteen.
Nah, that's not us.
I want something to fit in my bag. No!
Is this? No? Okay. You need this in your life, man. Anytime.
Watch out, babe.
Uber.
How long you stay in Bali?
We're here for 9 days.
9 days.
Yeah.
My name is Made.
Muddy.
Muddy. Oh, awesome.
Oh, cool. Okay.
Please help us push the best celery stuff as well.
No idea what she just said.
Thank you. It gave me a fright.
I really want an angel one.
What's that?
Ones with the wings.
Classic. We made it, guys. We're in Cairo.
Yeah. Good to take a photo.
Where's this from? New restaurant.
So, come around the corner. You're going to be under the sea.
Okay, okay. Oh, the boys are like this.
Amazing.
What's that?
It's amazing. Let's go. I want to be that girl. Look at this whale.
You found your turtle?
I know, yeah.
Ooh, wow. Frick, this is me. Didn't you see that?
I was too busy looking at this and look at this and then look to your left.
That's me.
And is it Samuel that's got the elephant?
Yeah.
Tiger.
Oh, we shot tiger.
Oh my gosh, somebody needs a lesson in animals.
So what's this, Israel? This is a leopard, eh? Not a tiger. Auntie Nina said this is a tiger. Is this a tiger, guys?
Thank you.
Cool.
Frick, I need a 10.
Caesar. I'm at your service, Caesar. I got you, Caesar. Oh no, don't cook her. Nah, cook her.
Get me out.
Oh no. What you wearing though, bro?
Yeah, that's it then.
Six Amoa rooms.
Okay, so come with me. We are going into the Caribbean. Somewhere. I don't know, just make that up. I don't know where we are.
They're kind of cracked into the ground. Looks nice. That's cool. Oh, this is a mirror.
Yeah. Not a mirror. Found it.
That's amazing, eh?
So awesome.
Is this Lord of the Rings? There must be a step that goes up there, eh?
Yeah.
Is there a step? Oh. Oh, wow. My boy. Oh.
Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. This guy.
What did you find?
You ready?
Yeah. Oh.
Goodney's really happy right now. He loves dinosaurs. So cool.
I'm so happy right now. Hey, bro. How you doing? You alright? Been a while. Million years? Yeah, that long.
You should check into Nusa Dua. You have a nice camera, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So very nice beaches there.
Hi. Thank you.
So we've walked up and down aisles. We don't know what we're doing. All of this food. What is this stuff?
What is a kipun keka ayam?
Okay. Hey, this looks like chips.
Okay.
Taro chips, maybe?
If it says taro, that must be from the islands.
I don't know what it is.
Hello.
You have channel YouTube?
What's that? Yeah, YouTube.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Give me no name channel lagi.
Ah, yeah?
Okay.
See you, man.
He wants to know who you are.
Oh, yeah, sweet.
I'm dari Putu.
Ah, cool. Nice to meet you.
I'm Kadek Krishna Aditya.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Down here. So that bridge went over the water here. Oh, mangroves. Ah. Getting some footage of you.
It's B-roll, you know,
Yeah.
when you're listening.
Cheers.
Cheers. Bintang. Beautiful. Have to. What are you laughing?
Bintang.
Got me.
Beautiful. We became friends a year ago. Thanks for reminding us. No. So we're at Nusa Dua.
Yep.
And we went to the left, like Paul said. We were like, oh, there's not very many people swimming. And then we was like, oh, imagine if we're at the wrong beach. Oh, jokes, we were, because look.
Man, we can get a tan just walking to that side and back, eh?
To be fair, I think this is like one of the resorts, and that's probably why there's heaps of people here.
And a lot of tourists.
Yeah. So the cool thing about the other side was that we got to swim by ourselves. So that was cool. Just over here, facilities are available exclusively for the guests of the Grand Hyatt. So come with me.
Yeah, let's go.
Looking forward to a massage.
Actual. About to get our massages on. Traffic again. You alright?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That was the experience?
Freak, was that an experience or what? That was scary. Oh, here's a good one.
Thank
you.
Yeah. Aloha.
We made it back.
Yes.
As you've seen, we just crossed the road and
I know. That was so much fun though. Super scary, but so much fun. And we would definitely not recommend that for anybody to do that unless you're with a local.
actual. We met this cool driver. His name is Paul. Yeah, Paul recommended that we don't go to the water park, but we check out Nusa Dua.
Yeah.
Nusa Dua. So we checked out down there. So it's down south of Bali, and you know, it just has nice long beaches and everything.
Yeah. So the 3D art, if you guys
yeah.
like that, it was freaking epic.
Yeah, man.
I just found that on Google when you do like 10 things to do in Seminyak, and that was one of them.
Yeah, that
highly recommend it. It was
That
so
was
much
man,
fun.
man. We were like little kids. There was like a dinosaur room. There was like a movie room.
Yeah.
There was an animal room, the jungle one.
Yeah.
We try to film a lot of animal ones just for my nephews Israel and Samuel.
Yeah.
They'd like to see that sort of stuff.
It's
So
super cute.
yeah.
If you're gonna go, you have to just not think about how horrible you might feel in the photos.
how old you might feel.
That never crossed my
Yeah.
mind. My problem was just the whole when you see the photos and you're like, why did I
Yeah.
wear shorts? Why did I have a tan? But the
to get
biggest thing that we need to talk about is that massage that we went to.
Actually,
Oh my god!
we wanted to finish off the day with a nice massage.
You know
So we
that
went-
thing that we've been looking forward to this whole freaking trip.
Actually, when you think of Bali, we're like,
Massage.
massages.
How was it?
It was toxic. The lady that was massaging me, I don't know, do masseuses massage you with nails? Man, I was like, are you scratching my back or are you massaging me?
The massage itself was just like, oh, so they must have been like quite light on oil because what oil was
Because I
there?
could feel some pretty skin to skin contact there.
Skin burn, man. Oh my god.
What about your experience with you?
At the end of the massage, I was literally just in a fit of laughter because I just didn't know what else to say.
Actually.
It was ridiculous. You know, like when you have a massage and you're like, wow, did that person like jump on the bed, or like how did they get from one side to the other
It was
side?
like semen.
Oh no, we knew it all.
Yeah, man. I was like, we could feel her brush up against my thigh to my feet and to my other thigh, and then like
Yeah,
get to
Bowen
my
definitely
shoulder.
got on the table.
Damn, I was
She
like.
was definitely in between my legs.
Speaking of in between,
Oh.
her masseuse got her good, eh? Got her good.
So you know when you like turn over, because obviously you don't wear anything at the top, and you turn over to lie on your back, and obviously I'm like covering myself and stuff, you know. And then so she's like massaging. Oh my gosh, she massaged our stomach.
Why are you doing that? Why are you trying to embarrass us?
Massaged it like hard out. And then the best one was that then she like fully just took off the ear, or the sarong, whatever it was that I was being covered with, and then did like a full breast massage. And I was like, what is going on? Yeah, so you know, it kind of reminded me, you know when you're like giving yourself like an exam just to check to make sure you don't have any lumps? It was like that. The slaps. Like,
Actual.
you'd get massaged, it'd kind of go like, you don't know what they're going to do next, and then next minute it'd be like...
Oh, actual.
Just like,
That slap.
slap. Sorry. I can see shadows. I think our food's here.
And I think our food's here.
So we'll see you later.